Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you step by step how you can rotate video clips in the Shotcut video editor in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, so head over to Shotcut and start your video project and add a video clip to your video track here at the bottom. So let me do that really quickly with that video clip from my library here. So here's what you will need to do to rotate your video clip, for example, by 90 degrees or 290 degrees to the right or to the left or to 180 degrees. You will need to apply a filter for the selected video clip. So click into your video clip on your timeline, click into filters here, and after that, click into that plus button here to add a filter. Use the search bar to look for a filter called size, position, and rotate. As you can see, I bookmarked it so that I don't have to look for it every time using the search bar. So click into it to apply it to your video clip, as you can see now. So here guys, you will see that slider. So you may move it to the left or to the right to adjust your custom rotation. That's the first option. So if you, for example, move it to the left, it will be rotated to the left. If you move it to the right, it will be rotated to the right. Of course, guys, you can always click into these numbers here and apply a custom number or 90 degrees, for example, as you can see, or minus 90 degrees to rotate it to the left. By clicking into this button, here reset the rotation to default, which is basically 0 degrees. That's option number one. Option number two is more intuitive. You may simply use that handle here inside that frame by left clicking into it and by holding your left mouse. And after that, simply move it to the right or to the left to adjust your custom rotation intensity or degree and release your left mouse. And there you go. That's how you rotate video clips on Shotcut. Let me show you the preview. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.